All right, got off of work. Let's go on. I'm gonna try to hook up on a snook. All right, see what we can catch, yo. See what I'm rocking. It's a Daiwa. I think this is a Daiwa lure too. No, this is an Eagle Claw. This is an Eagle Claw something. Let's give her a shot. Oh, I just scared, oh, mullet. Scared some mullet. Why no want? Why you no want? Right now would be great at the beach, actually. I might just go home and throw some shit on. Jesus Christ. We about to go to the beach, y'all. We about to go to the beach. Alright. We're in one of my favorite spots. Same old setup. Daiwa. Real quick. Alright. Oh, God. I freaking love it out here, man. Oh, I love the beach. Alright, y'all. Let's catch a snook. Let's catch something. It seems like it's pretty low tide out. Ooh, the water's nice and good. Nice and chilly. I thought about going in, but I'm not so sure anymore. This lure really likes to blow out. Woo! Right across the beach side. Also seen shark tooth. Yeah. Let's not. Here's a fish. Let's not get it twisted. Oh, freaking dolphins out there. Oh, heck yeah, dude. Everybody's lined up at the pier right now. Dude, them dolphins are out there. There must be something. Yeah, dude, there's dolphins. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah, I just saw a bunch of bait just jump up over there. Yeah, I think it might have been me. That freaking spooked him. Look, what's this seagull know? What does he know? What does he know that I don't? I know it was like windy and stuff, but it's a gorgeous day out. Oh, dude, I don't have any pliers with me. All right. Gonna have to do this by hand. Yep. There we go. Come on. Get in here. Yep. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh! You gotta be absolutely freaking kidding me, dude. Y'all saw that, right? Holy smokes. No! Alright. Quit messing around with me, y'all. Just bite my lure. Dude, something had it for real. Did I just, dude, I feel like I didn't hold enough pressure on him. That was something, bro. I have 3 triple hooks. How did that get undone? Bubba, that's insane. Wow, you're joking, right? Jesus. There's stuff out today. Yep. Again. Come on, you're not getting off this time. Come on. Oh yeah, little Jack. There we go. Freaking tiny little dude. All right. Check this little bad boy out. Oh, he's gonna go nuts. Oh, he's gonna go nuts. Okay. There we go. Check it out by hand. Check it out by hand. Cause we're savage, yo. Snadookies. Look at this beautiful little dude. Cool. Little Jackie Poo. Cool. I can't believe that dude hit that lure, dude. He's little. All right, let's do that again. Okay, so I think that's what that first one was, because it fought very similar. I would really like if a snook, big old snooky wookie, snickerdoodle, a snookadoodle. Oh, what? What are you even saying, bro? Why does my stuff keep blowing out, yo? Don't you just hate it when a lure just blows out to the side? What? What? Oh, dude, there's dolphins all the way over there. Those people look so stoked to see them. Yeah, they're like right over yonder on the Chattahoochee. Oh no, they're way down yonder on the Chattahoochee. I'm just gonna look for shark teeth, honestly. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna keep fishing, but stuff's getting tossed up all around here. Look, like this one. There you go. Oh yeah, Bubba. See what I'm saying? I caught a fish and a shark tooth. I'm gonna put that in my pocket. Yoink, in my inventory. Oh no, don't even get me started now. Oh, don't even get me started now, boy. Oh no. I love shark tooth hunting. Oh no. See, we multitasking now. All right, no, we on a mission. We on a mission, boy. One will pop up when it's meant to pop up. Let's see what God provided today. Like this one. But bam, boy. Look how many shark teeth I'm finding. Heck yeah. That's beautiful. Dude, like all you gotta do is look at the surface. Like look at this one. Dude, you don't need to go digging, bro. What? You don't need to do that. Check it out. 3 shark teeth. Bam. Savage, boy. I'm sure you can find like some big ones like that, but you don't need to do all that. All right, 3 shark teeth and 1 jack. Let's get them fish numbers up. Bam, dude. Almost lost it. That's crazy looking. That's aged down. Dude, yo, I'm about to just go shark tooth hunting. What? That's crazy. What am I at, like 5 shark teeth now? Oh, dude, I'm kind of scared to leave this spot. I'm like, there's shark teeth here. Yeah, I'll find some. I'll find some. Don't worry, man. What'll come will come, bro. Don't worry. Just be happy. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, that's a big old stone. That's a big old stoner. Yeah. Oh, right on the surface. Look at that. Look at that, Bubba. See what I said? God is good. Gave me a snook. Gave me a snook. Hi, Bubba. Wow. Check that bad boy out. Yeah. See me home. Yes. Yes, Mijo. Mijo. Paraguay. Dude. Okay. Very interesting hook set. Okay. Okay, I'm understanding now. There we go. Simmer down, Bubba. Beautiful little dude. Let's give him a walk. All right, yo. Check me out. Okay. And he's off. Cool. All right, we got a snook. Why do I feel like that might be my truck? Let me see something. All right. I don't think that's my truck. Is that my truck? Is that my truck? No. That's way down there. Okay. This dude on his kayak. I feel like I've seen this dude almost every single night. He just rides out into the sunset. And like, I don't know when he comes back because I'm gone by now. I'm gonna check over here for shark's teeth. And I'm a fish. Dude, Sharky smells so good. Freaking Sharkies, man. Alright. Caught a snook. Found 4 or 5 shark teeth. I don't remember. And actively searching for more. Ooh, it is about to rain, Bubba. The storm cometh. No. Oh well. I don't think it was meant to be. Oh my goodness. Pinche limon. Got a limon. A limonski. Alright, this place is mid when it comes to these shark teeth. I thought that snook was a jack at first because I saw its yellow, like blondish fin. I just thought it was a jack, thinking like the yellow fins on a jack. I wonder if people are catching fish on the bridge, on the pier. That's a big wave. All right, let me do just one down that way. Oh, mullet just skirted out of here. Hey, we're out of here, Bubba. Yeah, this tide's picking up. This tide is picking up. And it looks like it just might rain, Bubba. Yeah, it's sprinkling down here. It is sprinkling. Oh, it's about to rain. Oh, everybody leaving now. Oh yeah, everybody about to leave. Oh shit, I think I'm about to leave. Yo, look at that, look at everybody leaving, yo. Woo, mama. All right, yeah, I'm gonna keep seeing what's here. Yeah, baby. Woo! Oh yeah. All right. You know what? I don't mind getting wet, but I don't mess with electricity because I'm a plumber at heart. Oh yeah, look at everybody making a ruckus. Look at that. Look at that cloud, dude. Well, dang, man. Oh, look, is somebody fighting something? Nah, just the 2 veterans over there, man. Heck yeah. Wow, you can just hear everybody squawking over there, man. Everybody just getting loud. I feel like these boys are about to pack it up. Oh yeah, everybody's about to pack it up right now. Dude, check that out. Check out that wall. All right. Nice way to end the fishing trip, man. All right, y'all. Well, that was fun. I got that wall about to hit me. So, I guess we're gonna stop. But it was fun. It was definitely hella fun. So, yeah, let me know what you think of this video. If you guys want to see more of this. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Y'all have an awesome day. I'm happy I can come out here in Florida. Such a beautiful state. Love being home. And yeah, guys, I appreciate you so much. And stay sharp and keep going out there. Woo, tell me about it, man.
You was right by that bitch too.
Yep. I was thinking about staying, but then the lightning came out.
We gonna wait it out.
Yeah, right? All right, for y'all just wondering, this was the shark teeth that I found while I was fishing. Nice little ones. This is that half one that I was saying. It's pretty neat. But yeah.